January, April, July, October. So previously you see 1, 4, 7, 10. Now that 1, 4, 7, 10 has become January, April, July, and October. The simple thing, this will interpret better than this 1, 4, 7, 10. 1, 4, 7, 10 means user will be thinking what is 1, what is 4, what is 7, and what is 10. You cannot give them time to think because people want to learn from the information as much quick as possible, right? So if you give January, April, July, and October, it will be very easy for them to interpret. Okay, that is one features we have got in the plot. Now see, you can change the angle of text using xtext angle function. Try positive and negative values to see the effect. Maybe we'll try that xtext angle of angle to 30. Maybe we'll give 30 degrees. We'll see what is going to happen. Able to understand the difference? Text is rotated by 30 degrees. From positive x-axis, 30 degrees. You see, January, usually January will be here, it is rotated by 30 degrees. If I give minus 30, you should see all possible combinations, right? As an engineer, we should play with numbers. Minus 30. You see, from the x-axis, the angle is measured in the negative way. What happens if I give 180? We'll give 180. The data is upside down. Able to feel how the data is being plotted, right? 90. Perpendicular. See here, perpendicular. 270. It's this way. Okay, so you can play with plot. Only thing you should know how to play. That's all. So MATLAB gives you all possible things to play with the xtext angle. So you can change the orientation of text, which is going to all appear in the x-axis. Okay. So next section summary. So I think you understood what we have used here. So we have replaced the numbers in x-axis by text. And text you have to use two commands. Xtext. Xtext will say that I am going to use text. And xtext labels will say that what text I am going to use along the x-axis. And xtext angle will say at what angle I have to display my graph.